In this video, I will show you everything. Let's start. Preparation before the airport. First, buy your ticket. You can use a website or an app. I have my ticket now. I am flying from Istanbul to New York. How can I get to the airport? You can drive your car, but parking is expensive. Use public transport, metro or bus. They are cheaper but slower. Take a taxi or Uber. It is easy and fast. Dialogue in taxi. Hello, Istanbul Airport, please.
Okay. International or domestic?
International, please. Can you drop me off near the entrance?
Sure. Here you are. It's $18.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a nice trip.
Always arrive 3 hours early for international flights. Airports are very busy in 2026. I am at the terminal now. First, find your flight on the big screens. You can see your check-in counter number. Check in. Get your boarding pass. Hello, is this the check-in for New York?
Yes. Can I see your passport, please?
Here you go.
Do you have a bag to check in?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please put it on the scale. Your bag is 25 kilograms. The limit is 23 kilograms. You must pay a fee or remove some items.
No problem. I will pay the fee.
Okay. Please tap your card here.
Done. Thank you.
No batteries or power banks in this bag. Put them in your carry-on bag.
Okay, no problem.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12. Boarding is at 3 p.m.
Which way is the gate?
Go up the escalator. Go through security. Follow the signs for gates B.
Thank you. Have a nice day. The bag limit is usually 23 kilogram. Check your airline app before you go to the airport. Security check. Go through security. Many people are nervous here. Don't worry. Follow the rules.
Empty your pockets, please. Take off your jacket and belt.
Okay.
Put your liquids and laptop in the tray.
Here is my laptop. Here are my liquids.
Do you have any big bottles of water?
No, I don't.
Okay. Walk through the scanner. Please stop. Do you have any metal?
Oh, I forgot my necklace.
Please take it off and walk through again. You are good to go. Take your things.
Thank you. Be quick and stay calm. The officers are there to help you. Check your pockets before the scanner. Gate. Waiting area. I look at the big screen. My flight is AB 123 to New York. The screen says on time and gate B12. I have time before the flight. I can buy a coffee or look at the shops. Listen, there is an announcement. Attention passengers. Flight AB 123 to New York is now boarding. Please go to gate B12. Have your passport and boarding pass ready. Boarding. Get on the plane. Excuse me, is this the line for New York?
Yes. Passport and boarding pass, please.
Here you go.
You are in Group B. You can go now.
Thank you.
Enjoy your flight.
Look at your boarding pass for your group. Group A is usually first. If you have a big carry-on bag, line up early. On the plane, find your seat.
Welcome. What is your seat number?
18A window seat.
Straight ahead, left side.
What should I do with my bag?
Put it in the overhead bin or under the seat.
Thank you. Please fasten your seat belts. We are ready for takeoff. Phones in airplane mode. You can take off your seat belt. You can use your phones. We are flying at 35,000 feet. Food service.
Hello. Would you like a meal or a drink?
What do you have today?
Chicken, pasta, or a salad?
Chicken and orange juice, please.
Here you go. Call if you need anything.
Thank you. Please fasten your seat belts. We are preparing to land. Landing arrival. Immigration.
Passport, please.
Here you go.
Why are you visiting the USA?
For vacation.
How long will you stay?
2 weeks.
Where are you staying?
At a hotel in New York.
Welcome to the United States.
Thank you. Baggage claim. Excuse me, where can I get my baggage?
It is over there at the baggage claim.
Thank you. Wait for your bag at the carousel. Give short and honest answers. Have your hotel address ready. Follow the exit signs. Take a taxi or public transport. That was my first flight. Which part was difficult? security or immigration? Tell me in the comments. Please like, subscribe and share. Safe travels. See you next time.